guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. Now in today's video, we are on the hunt for the best stockbroker for 2024, and we have our next victim. Today we are going to be talking about Robinhood, the pros, the cons, and everything you must know about this broker. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys want to sign up with Robinhood, I'll put a link to it down below so you guys can check it out. Also guys, exciting news, we released a brand new swing trading course where we talk about how to find stocks to trade, my mindset, my strategies, pretty much how I am a full-time swing trader, and I've been for over 6 years. So make sure you guys check it out. You guys can use code YouTube to get 20% off. Check it out down below, but let's dive into Robinhood. Alright, so what is Robinhood? Well, Robinhood is known for being a stockbroker, meaning it allows you to invest in the stocks and ETFs. Now, the reason why a lot of people love Robinhood is one, it's super easy to use. Anybody can sign up pretty much today and start trading that same day. It's honestly super beginner friendly. It's not going to be overwhelmingly hard or confusing to navigate through the platform. On top of that, another reason why a lot of people love it and why I've used it in the past is because it offers something called fraction shares, meaning you don't need thousands of dollars to start trading and start investing. All you need is $1. This is absolutely fantastic, and this is why a lot of beginners that are just getting started with investing seek to Robinhood, is because it does offer $1 investing, which is nice. On top of that, Robinhood does offer something called DRIP, which is dividend reinvesting. Now, dividend reinvesting, pretty much what it is, super simplified, is the dividends you get, you want to just reinvest them back into the companies to get more dividends that will compound on itself. Look at this chart. You guys can see the difference between reinvesting your dividends and not reinvesting your dividends. So the biggest thing, reinvest those dividends, especially if you're looking for long-term growth. It'll add up to a ton of money in the long run. But with that being said, Robinhood does offer more than just a standard broker's account, pretty much what it used to have. Now it offers IRA accounts, a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. The reason why I love it, and I actually have a IRA account with Robinhood, is because it offers a 1% match, which is sweet, meaning if you put in $100, you're getting $1 that you can just invest completely free. Obviously, this is limited to $6,000 a year, so that's about $60, but $60 goes a long way for investing. That's like a share of Coca-Cola pretty much. So this is absolutely awesome, and I absolutely love how this is all free for us, the investor. Now, a lot of people have this association that employers are the one that pay the match, and no, Robinhood does, which is awesome. So I recommend it for the IRAs. But with that being said, you can invest into other things other than stocks and ETFs. Robinhood does offer, a cryptocurrency investing, which is cool. So if you guys want to be diversified and invest into those things like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a variety of other awesome, cryptos, you can do it here, and it's all commission free. There's no fees or anything like that. And even with the stocks, there's no fees or commission. Now with Robinhood, they do offer options trading and margin investing. Obviously, these things are going to be a little more risky for the average investor. But with that being said, when you have higher risk, you often see higher rewards. And, margin is pretty much just like a loan to invest and trade. It's incredibly risky. I don't recommend it, especially for beginners. And this is where, in my opinion, Robinhood has had issues, is they make it almost too easy to invest. And a lot of people see people online on YouTube make money on the stock market, and they think it's easy, and then they start doing it and they lose money. It's great that Robinhood has it so easy that you can just start investing and trading, but it's almost a little too easy. And same thing with the margin. It's a little too easy to get money to invest, especially that it's not your money to invest. But the last thing that Robinhood does offer is a debit card, and offers an actually pretty solid APY at 5.25%. It's actually one of the highest we've seen. This, you do have to have Robinhood Gold, which does cost monthly. It ranges anywhere from $5 to $10 a month, depending on different promotions. Robinhood does offer 1 month free normally, so you can always sign up, see if you like it, see if you make money off it, and if you don't, just cancel it. That's what I've done in the past. Now let's break down some of the things I don't like. So some of the things I don't like with Robinhood is, one, the charting. If you guys compare like Robinhood and my trading broker I use, Moomoo, you guys can see Robinhood is very, very subpar. But this is the thing, is Robinhood, it's a beginner platform. You're not going to be like a full-time trader on Robinhood. You're going to seek to other better options. And that's kind of where it ends with Robinhood. It's a beginner style broker that if you're looking to just invest for fun, maybe invest for the long run, Robinhood, you can do the job just fine. But if you're looking to trade and use indicators and scanners and get in and out of positions, I would rather see you guys use like a broker like Moo or TD Ameritrade, a broker that is specialized in trading. But overall, Robinhood is a relatively decent broker. It offers a lot of tools that a lot of beginners can use to get started. You know, it offers IPO investing, so if you want to find those opportunities, yes, you can do it with Robinhood. I just think there's better options elsewhere for trading, but for like long-term investing, having a 1% match will go a long way, and I would recommend it for that. If you're looking to trade, there's better options, and that's pretty much where it ends, guys. Robinhood, it's just a basic style broker. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit that like button and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Take care.